Wolfpack 20PACK10. Connect and grow as a family with the Wolfpack 20PACK10. The 8-foot by 11-foot cargo deck on the front of this model is great for hauling cargo. You'll find pass-through storage for things that are too small and light to go on the deck. Once you're at the campsite, you can stretch out the 15-foot awning and relax in the shade while the outside speakers play your favorite stations. There's plenty of space inside to bring the kids along with a set of bunk beds. Keep everyone out of the dirty campsite bathrooms with the full bath that even includes a tub. You'll have a 3-burner cooktop and half-size convection oven at your fingertips so you can feed your family from your own personal recipe collection. A large U-dinette offers tons of space to gather the family for a meal or for a board game. With a comfy sofa across from the dinette, you can stretch out and relax after your belly is full. Both the dinette and the sofa convert into beds, so you'll have additional sleeping arrangements. A soft king-size bed sits in the slide in the rear of this model where you can hunker down for the night, waking up rejuvenated and ready to go the next day. Find out more at lakeshore-rv.com or call 231-788-2040.